The Ghataprabha River falls at Gokak from a height of 52 meters, causing beautiful roaring waterfall. There is a beautiful hanging bridge across the fall. It is just a few kilometers away from Gokak Falls is Godchimaliki Falls. Across this river Markandeya, this is 45 meters high. On river Sharavati is one of the highest waterfall. It is Jog Falls in India. Four falls, namely Raja Rani Roarer Rocket, fall together to form the famous Jog Falls and has a height of 254 meters. Thick jungle of Kodagu is surrounded by coffee plantations. Is the Abbey Falls from Kaveri River. Enjoy the thick jungle along with the falls. A hanging bridge is available to enjoy the view of Abbey Falls from an elevation. Iruppu Falls near Nagarhole waterfront is a thick jungle of Kodagu. Lies the Iruppu waterfall falling from a height of 170 feet. You will also see hordes of elephants